Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting messages on Signal. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Signal app and open the chat that the message you would like to delete is in. Hold down on the message that you want to delete, and an options menu will appear. Tap on the trash icon. You can choose Delete for Me if you only want to delete the message for yourself, or you can choose Delete for Everyone to delete the message on everyone's devices. That message will now be completely deleted, and no one will be able to see it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Signal tips and tricks.